these are the tools you're going to be using for the oil change on the 2024 Audi Q5.
Okay, so start by removing the oil cap, which is right here. Just twist it. So I like to put it right here on the hinges, just in case if I forget to install it and we close the hood, it's not going to close it. And then right here we have our oil filter housing. So it's a 24 millimeter socket. Right there, we're gonna open it just a little bit. Okay, let it drain out a little bit. Okay, we're gonna raise the car up. Okay, next is we're gonna remove the engine cover. So it takes T25 Torx bit. Okay, next we're going to take off the string plug for the oil. So I use a flathead screwdriver. Okay, so after you put in the plug, you just want to clean it. Okay, and after that we're going to put the cover back on. Okay, then we'll take out the oil filter housing. Like this. And we take out the O-ring seal. Here we have a new one. You want to make sure you put it at the same place where you took it off. It's all the way around. Get a little oil, a little bit up. And put in the new oil filter. Put it back in. Want to hand start it first. You want to tighten it. Obviously you want to clean it. Okay, and then we'll get a funnel, and then we'll pour in our brand new oil. This vehicle takes 5.5 quarts of oil. And after you put in the oil, or if you close off the oil cap, same thing, clean it.
And now that's how you do an oil change on a 2024 Audi Q5.
Okay, and if it doesn't have a dipstick, you go over to your screen, press home, press vehicle, and then you want to go up until you find oil level. Click on it and it should pop up. If it doesn't, you need to warm up the engine for 5 to 10 minutes and then it should pop up.